so fit, skin and bones. Hindi tulad sa picture na ito. She's really that, you know.
Ibinahagi ni Ma'am Elizabeth ang kalagayan ni PRRD. Maayos naman umano ang dating Pangulo, ngunit hindi raw maikakaila ang labis na pamamayat nito.
Happy that I have seen him, and he's okay, but he's so fit, skin and bones. Hindi tulad sa picture na ito. She's really that, you know. And I asked him why did he want to eat the food. Sabi niya, ayaw daw ng food. Ayaw na, and pabalik-balik daw.
Hindi ba siya nilulutuan ng mga Pilipino food?
No. No.
So whatever lang.
Yeah, then at least he said that he is no longer taking any meds.
Oh.
At least okay, yeah, no? He's healthy. Parang tingin ko he's healthy, but as an old man,
You never know.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that mahina na maglakad, you know? Yan na.
But how is he with the weather, ma'am, lately? Kasi sobrang init ng weather lately.
I told him, sabi ko, malamig. Sabi niya, may init naman. Sabi ko, malamig pa rin para sa akin. Sabi niya, sadya kasi matanda ka na.
Pero mag-exercise naman si
No,
person.
hindi po rin. Gusto lang niya mag-sleep. Gusto lang niya mag-put ng TV. Yan, after daw the TV, sleep na naman daw siya. Yun lang. Yun ang tangin.
At saka nagbabasa naman siya ng libro, ma'am.
Yeah. Babasa din. Pero not so much. Gusto niya yung TV. She was asking about how is Davao, ganon. Okay ba daw si Basti sa kanyang kwan because he is the mas acting mayor, diba? So, sabi ko, okay naman. There's no problem. Sabi ko, when your grandson is also the vice mayor, sabi ko, then the other one is the congressman of the second district. And he also asked me, did the Hugpong daw won? Sabi ko, yes. Most of them are from Hugpong. Sabi ko, gano'n. So, yeah, that's it.
Ma'am, meron bang message si PRRD para sa mga kababayan natin?
Yes. He said, you go home. You go home. Thank you for your support. Ako rin, nagpapasalamat din sa inyo for your support. I am here also for my support. Sabi niya, mahal ang pasahe. Umuwi ka na. Sabi ko, we will be here for as long as we are needed here. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Ganyan. But, yeah. Sabi niya, you go home and thank you.